Alright, first of all, sorry about the mess. I'm trying to get this place cleaned up, but in the process, I just made it look even worse. Yeah, this shouldn't be here in a few days. Got this little spark module. You might remember it from some of my super old videos from like a year ago. Anyways, I just realized something. Whenever I have this hooked up to my power supply, listen to the noise it makes. It just makes a screech. I don't get what it's doing there. But when I just like short it together, it'll click. That sounds kind of normal. But I really don't get what this screeching is. If anyone can help me figure it out. Oh jeez. That'd be great. I really hope it's not like damaging my power supply somehow. Yeah, that's about it.